Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to talk about my little new gadget, which is a alien green screen for my AKAI S950, which I've got in the back there, which you can see there. So this cool gadget allows you to take your existing AKAI screen, and mine's actually not working at the moment, which is why I actually decided to get, go into this classic thing and change it and turn it into alien green. So it's really cool. Literally got it from Retromelion on eBay, and really nice chap, Matt over there, sent me an email and with plenty of instructions as well. So if you want to see me install this into my AKAI, smash that like button and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This screen allows you to modify your existing AKAI S950 classic screen to something really cool and voluminous. Now, went over to Equinox's studio and saw this over there and thought, yes, I've got to get a replacement screen, because it got hold of a 950 and it basically had a screen that was duffed. So I'm going to replace it with this screen here. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool gadget. Apparently it's really easy to fit. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to definitely give it a go. On the back here you've got some connectors, this little plug-in thing, got some plugs here, another plug. Apparently it's plug and play, you don't need to do any soldering. So I'm going to go and do an installation video about that. Smash the like button if you want to see me install this and see how it's done. I'm going to give it a go. And for that, and inside here you've got some other bits and pieces like cable ties, what else you got, some sort of sticky thing, and some instructions. So guys, there's also 3 plastic washers, or 4 plastic washers which are really important. So if you want to see me install this into my AKAI step by step, smash that like button and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on notification, so the next time I upload you'll be able to get an instant notification and be told of that. So that's it for now. Take care, God bless, peace.